Very good morning, students.
Happy morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay. Last class I explained to the wavy curve method and quadratic based on some fundamentals. Next one. In 10th class you learned that progressions, arithmetic progression. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes,
that
sir.
progression,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
that progressions is called a sequence and series. Listen, that progression is called a here sequence and series. What is the definition of sequence? Generally, there are numbers. You know that so many real numbers are there. Real numbers can be written particular array. Particular array mean having some order. Having some order. That is called a sequence. That is called a sequence. What is the sequence means? There are in real numbers can be written that in a array. Array mean particular order. That is called a sequence. That definition. Progression is a sequence in which each succeeding term bears a fixed relation with its preceding one. That is called a progression. That is called a progression. What is the sequence? What I told that sequence is there. Sequence means numbers I written. Numbers can be written in a array is called a sequence. Progression means this is the definition. Note down. Note down quick.
Sir, what is an array?
Array mean particular order. One order. Suppose for example, here is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Some order will be there. That is called a array.
Okay.
Just a definition. First note down the definition. Over.
Yes.
Okay. Here listen. Therefore, here is equal to, observe this one. What is there? Series. Series mean set
Sir,
of
once
all
the
numbers.
previous slide. Thank you, sir.
Here set of numbers are here is there, sequence is there, so many sequence are there, all type of sequence. Suppose sometime difference 1, sometime difference 2, sometime ratio 2, sometime ratio 3, like this one. Set of that all sequence is called a series. That is the definition. Set of numbers connected by a sign of addition or subtraction, and each which is the derived from preceding one. Preceding mean before preceding one, according to the some definition of law is called a series. That is called set of so many series. That is equal to year 1, 2, 3, etc. one series, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. one series, 1, 2, 4, 8, etc. one series. Like this one, so many series are there. Set of all series is called, set of all sequence is called a series. Any doubt?
So difference are equal now.
What again?
Difference is equal, sir.
Difference is there, equal will be there, sometime not equal. Here 1 and 2 and the next one is there, here 4, next one 7, next one is there 11, like this one also there. That is also one sequence. Sometime different same, sometime different not same, like so many sequences are there. Set of all possible sequences is called a series. Okay, clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down.
Sir.
Ask.
1, 2, 4, 7, 11 ఆ సీక్వెన్స్ లో కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు కదా సార్.
Equal అవ్వలేదు. Sometime it's not equal.
Sir, means geometrical progression.
No, it's not geometry also. If what is the difference of these two?
సార్
Once.
సార్
2 and 1 difference is 1. 2 and 4 difference.
2,
Then 4 and 7 difference,
3.
etc. Here given that sequence, difference of consecutive terms. In that given sequence, difference of consecutive terms are in arithmetic progression. In such of cases, that is called a some special sequences. How to can be solved in end of that chapter I can explain. Don't worry. Presently just see that one.
ఓకే సార్.
Note down just definition. If completed, tell to me. First I can explain sequence. What is the series I can explain. After this one, here listen. Sequence and series, that is called a progressions. Progressions are defined that there are 5 types are there. Progressions can be defined, 5 types are there. Therefore, here observe this one. 5 types are there. What are that 5 types? One is called a arithmetic progression. Second, arithmetic progression in bracket. What is the representation? AP. Arithmetic progression mean AP. Second one, geometric progression, that is equal to GP. Harmonic progression, that is equal to HP. Here arithmetic geometric progression, that is called AGP. That is called AGP. In fifth one, what is the fifth one will be there? Some special sequences. Some special sequences. It's not arithmetic, it's not geometric, it's not harmonic, it's not arithmetic geometric progression. In different so many forms are there, that all different forms included this one. Some special sequences. Some special sequences. This is the 5 types of progressions are there. Note down.
Yes sir, completed sir.
Okay, listen. Here arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression definition? Here observe. Generally in a sequence. In a sequence. That is, there are the terms will be there. Observe. A1, comma A2, comma A3, etc. Therefore, terms will be there. Generally representation A1, A2, A3, etc. will be there. Here difference of consecutive term should be same. That sequence is called a arithmetic progression. That sequence is called a arithmetic progression. Any doubt?
Sir means differences are equal, na?
Yes, sir.
Difference of consecutive terms. What is the meaning will be there? Here listen. A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3 all are equal. Therefore, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, etc. Like consecutive terms, difference should be same. That is sequence is called a arithmetic progression. Therefore, this is the definition of arithmetic progression. Here, listen, difference. Difference, what is the first letter?
A. First term A.
No. Difference in that word, what is the first letter?
D.
D. That's why its difference is the same. That difference is called a common difference. That is called a common difference. Common difference is the D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, etc. will be there. That is their difference. By observation, in English alphabet, what is the first letter?
A.
A. That's why let I can take A1 is equal to A. What is the D is equal to? A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 is equal to A plus D. Next, A3 is equal to A2 plus D. That is called A plus 2D will be there. A plus 2D. Here you can listen. What is the first term is equal to A? Second term A plus D. What is the third term is equal to? A plus 2D. 2D, etc. Like you can calculate it one by one like this one. Suppose there are 1000 term is asking, like you can calculate it, not possible. Some big value, not possible. That means how to able to find. Therefore, you can use that general term. You can use that general term. What is the general term denoted as? General term is denoted as AN. AN is called a general term. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Listen, how to calculate nth term? Nth term how to calculate it? What is the first term is?
A.
Second term observe. A plus D will be there.
No, sir.
What is the quotient of D?
What, sir?
What is the coefficient
N
of
minus
D?
1. N
No.
minus 1.
Here. Here I am asking.
1.
1. What is the quotient of D of A3?
2.
2. When 3 third term is 2 into D, second term is 1 into D. What is the nth term is?
N minus
Nth
1. N minus
1 into D. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in arithmetic progression, what is the terms are? First one is called A, second one is called A plus D. What is the third one is called? A plus 2D, etc. What is the nth term?
A plus N minus 1 into D.
Very good. A plus N minus 1 into D will be there. Write down. First write down this definition. This is the definition will be there. First write down the definition. Quick.
So can you give side?
That part I can explain, don't worry. First you can you can copy this definition over, write down next line. A1 comma A2 comma, write down A1 comma A2 comma A3, A1 comma A2 comma A3, etc. etc. are in arithmetic progression, are in arithmetic progression, are in arithmetic progression, arithmetic progression with first term small a, with first term small a, and common difference
Small d.
with first term small a. Don't write small. With first term small a and common difference d, small d. Common difference small d, small d. Next line. Small d is equal to, small d is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to A4 minus A3, etc. Small d is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to A4 minus A3, etc.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Next line. A1 is equal to small a. A1 is equal to small a. A2 is equal to a plus d. A2 is equal to a plus d. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d. A4 is equal to a plus 3d. A4 is equal to a plus 3d, etc. etc. Next line. General term of AP, general term of AP, general term of AP, AP, AN is equal to, AN is equal to, AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Clearly written n minus 1 using bracket. What is the A96 term? Anyone? Very good. What is there? A96. A96 is equal to a plus 95 into d. Therefore, n in place of 96 substitution, 96 minus 1, 95. 95 into d. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Write down next heading. sum of n terms. Next heading, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of okay. Sum of n terms of a sum of n terms of an AP. That is the heading. Do you remember in 10th class what is the sum of n term formula? Anyone?
2a plus minus 1 into d.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Like how to get this one I can explain. Just listen. What is the sum of n term? Let s is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 etc. Last term is called an. I can return. Listen. S is equal to a1 is called a2 is called a plus d, a3 is called a plus 2d etc. Last term a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. Both are same or not?
Same, sir.
Same like this one. I can return that s is equal to all addition terms are there. I can return that reverse order when a plus b or b plus a both are same. Here is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the this before term? Anyone? What is the last term before? Good, very good. A plus n minus 2 into d etc. What is the last one is called a? You can add it both. Added both, what you get? 2s is equal to 2s. First term, what you get? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next, second term, here 2a plus n minus 1 into d etc. Last term also 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Any doubt in this step? Anyone? Here total how many terms? N terms are there. Here each term is the same you can get. That's why I return 2s is equal to n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What you get? S is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of first n terms of series is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here listen. What is the s you can get? S is equal to n by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be there. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, that is equal to n by 2. I return a plus n minus 1 into d will be there. A plus n minus 1 into d. Here first a will be there. What is in arithmetic progression first term?
A.
A. What is the last term?
Small L.
Small l. Therefore, small l is equal to nth term. What is the nth term formula?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
That's why this is I written that n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here observe this one. Sum of first to n terms of an AP. What is that value? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or n by 2 into first term plus last term. Do you understand?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you give side, sir?
Okay, okay. Note down, note down.
Sir, once before slide.
Wait. First copied this one, after I can show.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, will you say to post Monday and Tuesday's recording in YouTube, sir?
Okay. I told to the sir can be posted that videos. Okay.
Sir, means nothing, sir. Today power cut, sir, means rainfall, heavy rainfall
Okay,
in
okay.
in
I
our
know.
area, sir. And power
I
cut
know, I
so
know.
that for me
Nope.
net week.
No problem. Today video also sent to the in our YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir. Monday, Tuesday, today also send, sir. 3 days.
Okay. 3 days.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Generally, everyone is there. Must be taken that Wi-Fi. Otherwise, in cell phone you can use that mobile network. Sometimes up and downs will be there, having that problem. That's why you can take Wi-Fi. You can sit beside of Wi-Fi. That means there is a no up and downs. You can easy to listen that class without break. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is afternoon class there? 3:30 class?
Is there today.
Sir, once
Somebody
before
asked.
slide.
I can show it. This is the before slide. Today up to I can explain these points. Tomorrow I can explain that arithmetic means, how to find out arithmetic mean, and terms are in arithmetic progression, what is the relation, or some different terms are there, what is the arithmetic mean. Very important. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Those points I can explain after. Some questions also I can explain tomorrow. Today you can learn that only formulas. Don't learn anything else. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.